Seiken Center, Meiji Sangyo Company. Since its establishment in 1933, Meiji Sangyo Company, along with the Seiken brand, have supplied customers in Japan and around the world with high-quality, high-performance automotive replacement parts and mechanical components, particularly brake parts. The Seiken Center, serving as the core of our production and reinforcing our commitment to quality, began operations in September 2024. The Seiken Center is equipped with automated production lines that enhance both quality and productivity, advanced testing capabilities with full range of inspection equipment, strengthened development functions, and a dedicated maintenance, on-vehicle testing, and technical training are for heavy-duty vehicles. Together, these features enable the center to play a key role in improving the quality and supply stability of Seiken products. The Seiken Center was established on the site of the former Ibaraki Logistics Center, which had a total area of approximately 5,500 square meters. At the Seiken Center, we oversee several key stages in the product manufacturing process: materials management, product processing, quality management, design, and development. Now we'll talk through each step of the process. First, materials are received from our suppliers. Materials supplied by our partners are stored and managed in the warehouse appropriately. Electronic work orders are issued, allowing for efficient picking operations. Based on the production plan, materials are then processed in the machining area. Products, such as pistons, are assembled using automated production lines. Finished products undergo quality checks using automated inspection machines. After passing inspection, they are packed and shipped to customers in Japan and overseas. From here, we'll introduce the four main features of the Seiken Center. Automated production lines deliver higher quality and more efficient production. At the Seiken Center, we've established a fully automated line that covers all stages, from piston assembly to air cushion protective packaging. Using CCD cameras, each unit is inspected to ensure stable production and achieve zero defective products leaving the line. Robots are also used for packaging rubber cups, thereby achieving full automation and making a significant contribution to overall efficiency. We use a wide range of inspection equipment to rigorously inspect product quality. Multiple endurance testing machines are installed, allowing tests across a temperature range from -70°C to 150°C. Additionally, the measurement room is equipped with a 3D measuring machine and other inspection devices, supporting continuous research and development. At the Seiken Center, we handle everything from the assembly of supplier-developed components to inspection, inventory management, and shipping. One of the center's key advantages is that this entire process is performed in-house. All operations are conducted in compliance with ISO standards, establishing the center as a core facility that supports the supply of high-quality products. Equipped with a dedicated service pit for heavy-duty vehicles, we carry out advanced initiatives ranging from research and training to ADAS testing. In the heavy-duty vehicle maintenance area, ADAS testing equipment is used to construct demonstrations of maintenance and provide technical training. Through these efforts, the Seiken brand ensures that consistently high-quality products are shipped from the Seiken Center to customers across Japan and around the world. Experience the proven quality of the Seiken brand. Our work is inspired by the passion and sense of responsibility of everyone involved in creating our products.